the truth.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a get ready with me again, and again I'm getting ready for another video that I'm gonna do on my first channel. If you're interested to see it, the link will be down below in the description box. Also, all the products that I'm gonna use here today are going to be in the description below. As you can see, I already started. I have my base on, I have my foundation, concealer and powder on my face. For foundation today, I use the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour Fresh Look Longwear Foundation in the shade 20 Cameo. In any case, it will be in the description. As my concealer, I use the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Nude, and for my powder I used this Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in the shade Pastel Beige. And now we can move on to the other things on our face. And you should know that I don't really know where this is going, so just enjoy the process. And for my brows today, I'm gonna be using the Studio Pro Waterproof Brow Pomade in the shade Medium by Beige Cosmetics.
When I'm with you, I am able to keep pushing my limits and all the.
And if you hear some noises, I'm really sorry. It's because my window is open and I have my fan right here beside me, so I can breathe in this room. I don't know why, but this room is the worst in our apartment. I almost don't have any oxygen in here. Like, the air is not moving and it's really hard to work in here. So, the brows are on, and now I'm gonna move on to the face. I know it's not the best way to do makeup, but that's what I do because I noticed that when I do my eyes first, I always forget about the blush and the contouring and the highlight sometimes. For me, it's very logical when the eyes go rest. I don't know why. So I'm gonna be using this palette. Again, this is the Freedom Pro Strobe palette, this shade. And I decided to go with this highlighter today. This is the A2O highlighting palette, you can say, because it has a lot of different shades in here that you can use separately, and you can mix them all together and create a different shade. So I'm gonna mix them together today. For this, I'm gonna use my Real Techniques. This is a setting brush actually, and I'm sure it's really good for setting under the eyes, but I bought it not for setting because I don't actually do it with a brush. I do it with a puff. I think it's better, but I really got used to using this brush for highlighting. I think it's really good. And oh my god, that was too much. Wait. Again, too much. Oh my god, this is so light. Oh, I didn't think it would be so light. And this brush is picking up a lot of products. And I think I'm gonna set my eyes with this highlighter. I actually love doing this lately, especially if I'm not gonna do something too fancy. I don't know, I love bringing the highlighter onto my lid. See if you have any creases and tap in with your finger and then just set your lid. And I'm always starting on the inside, so most of the pigment will be here. And then I'm just blending it all over the lid. I thought about it because in any case I'm bringing the highlighter from my cheeks to my brow bone, and then I just like went all over my lid and that's how I started doing this. For now it looks a little bit scary, but wait. So I think at first I'm gonna go... This is actually a... I forgot to say, this is a ColourPop palette. All I see is magic. And I'm gonna use this transition shade in my crease.
I didn't know what I had till I knew what was missing and everything that I tried.
So this is good for now. And I have a cat hair on my nose. Now I'll take a smaller pencil brush. I will take the same shade to put it under my eye, my lower lash line. You almost can't see it. Great! I think I'm gonna take a bigger fluffy brush and go over my lower lid to the same color. Oh, that was better. And now I want to add something to the lid, and I'm gonna go with this. It looks almost white on the camera, but it has this golden sheen to it, and I'm gonna go in with my finger and just pat it on my lid. Yes. Can you see it? Of course you can see it.
Very nice.
I'm gonna take a pencil brush again and put it into my corners.
Take your time, not
This shade is so good for highlighting your eyes.
broken too many times.
See how blinding this is? And I always love to pull it upwards a little bit towards my eyebrow, just like smudging it up a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but it like pulls your eye up a little bit. Can you see it? You know what? I want to put something a little bit darker in my crease. I think I'm gonna go with this brown shade. I'll take this smaller crease brush. As you can see, it has this point. This will make the work a little bit more precise. I'm doing this with my eyes open, and I'm putting the brush in the crease of my eye and just... And I'm a little bit pulling the brush upwards when I do this to blend it up, not down. Because if you do it like this, it will blend it down. If you do it like this, it will blend it up. I love this brush. I bought it like for $2 in a small store, and it actually became one of my favorite brushes. And it has this handle with glitter. I love it. And I'm like pulling this a little bit out as a eyeliner shape. Okay, so I'm taking the same shade, but just on the tip of this brush, not too much, and I'm blending it on my lower lash line. And I'm blending it only halfway in. Ooh, I already like this look. But I think I'm gonna go with some eyeliner to make it more finished. And today I want to try this L'Oreal Perfect Slim. It's in the shade Intense Black, and it looks like this. It's like those rubbers that you had on pens in school. So let's try this. Ooh, this is really thin, and I tried it on my hand and it's so nice.
You were gone, I wish you'd stay. I could look at you for days.
This is really nice. Look how thin the line is.
Well spent, that's when I knew.
Ooh, I like it. So now let's try and match the other eye. So this is what we have for now. I messed up this eye a little bit and I had to make the eyeliner a little bit thicker, although I want it to leave it very thin here. But it looks fine. I actually love that it's really black. As you can see, it's really intense black, and the tip is so thin and I like it. It dried down matte. It's great. I don't think it will be the best thing for beginners, but I think makeup artists will love this. I love it. And today I wanted to use my Beige Cosmetics Nude Blush palette. Here we have a lot of beautiful shades. And what would look good with this? Yeah, this one will match really nicely. I'm taking this shade. Ooh, really nice shade. And it's covering a little bit of this highlights, and it will look even better. And it looks great with this eye look. Almost monochromatic, I would say. I'm taking my clean brush and just blending it all together a little bit. So here we go. Now everything looks very blended, and you still can see the highlight, but it's a lot softer because it's blended with the blush. I love this look. It's kind of neutral, but yet not really. This brown has more of a orangey tone to it, and the orangey peachy corally shade that we put there earlier made it even more orangey. And the golden sheen on the lid, I think it's a small but noticeable transformation from this usual neutral look that you do every day to a little bit more of a refreshed neutral look, I would say. And again, I would put some lip gloss and that's it. Oh my god, I forgot about the eyelashes. Well done. I think I'm gonna use my Essence Volume Stylist Curl and Hold mascara today, just because I don't want to curl my lashes. And this one curls your lashes and holds them really nicely. Look at the difference. So today I decided to put on some lip gloss with this look. And again, this is the Diamond Lip Gloss by A2O Studio in the shade Posh. Well, because I decided to put on lip gloss, you don't have to do that. Because I think with this kind of eye look, that it's on the edge of being neutral, you can put almost any shade of lipstick on your lips and it will look stunning. So this is it, guys. This is the finished look for today, and let me know in the comments below what do you think about it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget about that notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos. Have a great day.
Highway along the ocean, drive